From the mountains rugged and steep, where canyons carve the land, to the ocean's edge, where waves crash down on golden stretches of sand. The desert whispers secrets sold in winds that blow so free, a tapestry of landscapes vast for all the world to see. The scent of sagebrush fills the air on hillsides dry and brown, while salty breezes kiss the shore where seabirds circle down. The symphony of nature sounds, from rustling leaves to crashing waves, a wild and untamed beauty in the canyons and the caves. Oh, Los Angeles, your wild embrace, a land of stark contrast. From desert blooms to ocean spray, a beauty that will last. The mountains rise, the canyons deep, the ocean stretches wide, a natural wonder ever changing with the turning of the tide. Poppies bloom in vibrant hues, a carpet on the hills, a fleeting burst of color bright that nature quickly spills. The Joshua trees stand sentinel against the desert sky, their twisted branches reaching out as